Hello, this is a very short video showing you how I digitally paint clouds. First of all, I start with a blank canvas. Then I will choose a colour which is suitable for the sky, of course, which is blue. I will fill my canvas with the blue. There we go. Now for the clouds, of course, we need to change to more of a cloud colour, which is white. Now I will choose my watercolour brush, and staying on the same layer, I will start to draw my clouds, which is just a matter of painting around with your stylus. For inspiration for cloud shapes, you might want to go outside and see what's happening in your sky at the moment. Yesterday here, we had some very strange looking clouds. I hadn't seen any like them before. I think it was due to the wind up above, upstairs. It was something like this, just a straight with a faded end to it, which I would need to blend out. But anyway, just clouds are not uniform, so they're fairly easy to paint something which is a cloud shape. Now maybe we want to make some of these look a little bit stormy, as though they might be going to throw down some rain later. So still on the same layer, we choose, well, it's almost a black that I've chosen there, and we just go around just anyhow that you think might make it look like a rain cloud. Look a little bit different. And then maybe we should take our blending tool, go back up here again to find it. There we go. And I might have to alter the size a bit. That's about right. Perhaps that could be a bit too much. I don't know, maybe it's okay. Just blend it out a little. Don't really need much blending. It's already seems to have mixed nicely with the white. Could probably, if you wanted to, maybe we could add another layer and add a bit more black to it with our water brush again, watercolour brush. See how that looks when it's blended. Back over to the blender. Actually, what I might do is merge that down with the next layer. And am I on the blender? Yes, now I am. And I might want it a little bigger than that. And so you can play around and experiment, see what you get. Actually, the blue's coming up on there. But anyway, that looks quite pretty, I was going to say, but I'll leave that to your judgment. Well, thanks for watching. Just a simple exercise there. You might have a little fun playing with it. And thank you, and come again sometime.